Hi, today I'll be doing an in-depth review of Duda Website Builder, a powerful website builder that's tailored for web design professionals, small businesses, and agencies. I'll be giving you an in-depth review of the platform, covering its features, pricing, pros and cons, and by the end we'll figure out if this platform is truly worth it in 2024. Let's get started. Let's start with a quick overview of Duda. Founded in 2010, Duda has positioned itself as a website builder geared towards freelancers, small businesses, and especially digital agencies who need to create and manage multiple websites quickly and efficiently. The platform stands out for its emphasis on design flexibility, performance, and collaboration tools, making it more than just a typical drag and drop builder. Unlike website builders like Wix or Squarespace, Duda focuses heavily on the B2B market, helping professionals and agencies build websites for clients while saving time and maintaining a high standard of design quality. The platform comes with an impressive suite of tools to customize websites, optimize for mobile responsiveness, and ensure top-notch performance. One of Duda's main selling points is its white labeling capabilities, meaning agencies can brand the platform as their own while delivering Duda's functionality. Plus, it is incredibly user-friendly, even for non-coders, while also offering advanced tools for those who want to tinker with code. So if you're someone who builds websites professionally or runs a business that needs powerful, no-fuss websites, Duda might just be what you're looking for. Now let's dive into Duda's main features, because this is where the platform really shines. Professional website templates. Duda offers a library of over 100 high-quality templates. These are beautifully designed and optimized for mobile responsiveness right out of the box. Whether you're building a portfolio, an e-commerce site, or a corporate landing page, there's a template for almost every niche. Drag and drop editor. The drag and drop editor is clean, intuitive, and easy to use, even for beginners. You can add pre-designed widgets like contact forms, image sliders, social feeds, and more with just a few clicks. White label tools. This is huge for agencies. You can fully white label the platform, offering a branded experience for your clients, from the dashboard to client reports, making Duda a seamless extension of your business. Team collaboration. Duda allows teams to collaborate efficiently with role-based permissions. Whether you're a designer, developer, or project manager, everyone can work within the same platform without stepping on each other's toes. Client management tools. Managing clients is easy with built-in client permissions, automated reports, and site analytics. This allows you to keep your clients updated and streamline your workflow. SEO and performance optimization. Websites built on Duda are lightning fast and SEO friendly. You get tools to optimize meta tags, URLs, sitemaps, and more, ensuring your site ranks well on Google. E-commerce features. For businesses selling products online, Duda supports e-commerce functionality. You can easily manage product catalogs, set up payment gateways, and customize your online store. So Duda isn't just a website builder, it's a complete toolkit for building, managing, and scaling websites efficiently. Now let us talk about the pricing. Duda offers 5 main plans, tailored to individuals, teams, and agencies. First, there's a basic plan at $19 per month when billed annually, and it is great for individuals or smaller projects. There's a team plan which is $29 per month, adds team collaboration tools and more features for more growing businesses. And there's an agency plan billed at $52 per month. It's designed for agencies managing multiple client sites with white labeling and enhanced support. There's a white label plan which is $149 per month, and there's a custom plan which is tailored pricing for enterprise level users who need advanced tools and integrations. Each plan comes with a free trial, you'll be happy to know that, and you can explore Duda's features before committing. The pricing is competitive when compared to similar professional tools, especially given its focus on agencies and teams. Now let us talk about the pros and cons of using the Duda website builder. First, the pros. It is user-friendly and has a drag and drop editor. Gorgeous mobile responsive templates. White label tools perfect for agencies. Team collaboration features. And excellent website speed and SEO tools. How about the cons? Pricing can get steep for smaller businesses. There is limited third-party app integrations compared to competitors. And e-commerce tools are solid but not as advanced as some other platforms like Shopify. Overall, while Duda is fantastic for agencies and design professionals, small businesses with limited budgets might feel the pinch. So here's the big question to consider. Is Duda worth it in 2024? If you're a web designer, a freelancer, or agency looking for an efficient, professional-grade website builder, then yes, Duda is absolutely worth it. Its white label tools, collaboration features, and design flexibility sets it apart from the competition. However, for casual users or those focused on heavy e-commerce, other platforms might suit you better. So if you're looking to try other alternatives, you may explore Wix, Squarespace, and Webflow. That's a wrap on today's review of Duda Website Builder. I hope this video gave you valuable insights. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.